Strikingly Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a straight-to-the-point review of Strikingly for dropshipping, highlighting its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get into it. Strikingly is a website builder that focuses on helping users create simple, one-page websites. While it's primarily known for personal websites, it also offers a dropshipping solution that integrates with suppliers like AliExpress. Strikingly allows you to set up an online store, import products, and start selling without needing technical expertise. The platform is designed to be easy to use, with drag-and-drop functionality that makes building a site fast and straightforward. This makes it appealing for beginners or entrepreneurs looking to quickly launch a dropshipping store without much hassle. One of Strikingly's main strengths is its ease of use. The platform's user interface is intuitive, and even those with no coding knowledge can create a professional-looking store. The pre-designed templates are clean, mobile-friendly, and visually appealing, helping your store look great from the get-go. If you're in a niche that doesn't require a vast catalogue of products, Strikingly's one-page format can work well, keeping things simple and focused on a smaller range of items. Additionally, Strikingly has a built-in e-commerce solution that supports product listings, inventory management, and payment processing, so you don't have to rely on third-party tools. However, Strikingly does have some notable weaknesses. One of the biggest limitations is its lack of scalability. The platform is not designed to handle large product catalogs or complex store management, making it less suitable for entrepreneurs who want to scale their dropshipping business. Customization options are also limited compared to more robust platforms like Shopify, and its integrations with dropshipping apps and suppliers are somewhat basic. If you're looking for advanced features or a more comprehensive dropshipping solution, Strikingly may not meet your needs. Who is Strikingly for? It's best suited for entrepreneurs or small businesses looking to create a simple one-page dropshipping store with minimal complexity. If you want something quick, easy, and affordable, Strikingly is a good choice. However, for larger operations or more advanced features, you might need to look elsewhere. That's the full review of Strikingly for dropshipping, direct and to the point. If you're interested in giving it a try, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce reviews.